I was so excited to receive this calligraphy pen set and calligraphy workbook as a gift. It's such a thoughtful and complete set, perfect for exploring the art of hand lettering. It's a beautiful hardcover book bound with a luxurious gold spiral that not only looks elegant but makes it so practical to use. I can lay it completely flat or fold it back when I'm working, perfect for easy, uninterrupted practice. Inside the workbook begins with an easy to understand introduction and detailed instructions to hand lettering basics. This set also includes 6 calligraphy markers in 4 different tip sizes: extra fine, fine, medium, and brush. Each pen is filled with water-based pigmented black ink that's safe, acid-free, non-bleeding, and odorless. The flexible tips are amazing. They let you create stunning strokes from delicate thin lines to bold, thick lettering, making them perfect for modern calligraphy and brush lettering projects. The workbook showcases a variety of inspiring writing styles, each named after the author's family members, which gives the entire set a personal touch. It's perfect for creating stunning invitations, planners, scrapbook designs, or simply enjoying the calming process of hand lettering. For me, practicing calligraphy is like a mini meditation session. You focus on the brush strokes, filter out distractions, and immerse yourself in creating something beautiful. Even just a few minutes a day, it's incredibly satisfying. This set makes for a perfect gift for anyone, from beginner kids to advanced lettering artists. Whether it's crafting, journaling, or learning something new, it's a creative and relaxing hobby that everyone can enjoy. I highly recommend it.